Receiving incoming transmission. Comlink established.
I got your message, Magistrate. And frankly, I don't care what you have to say about Confederate regulations. You damn fringe world yokels are all alike. Don't know where your loyalties lie. Y'all have a real good day now, you hear?
Transmission ended. The report you requested is ready. 16 outland stations have reported sightings of the alien invaders identified as Zerg. The Confederates have arrested all standing militia forces and continue to avoid action against the Zerg. 3 stations have fallen to the Zerg already. We've been unable to locate any source of military relief except the extremist faction known as the Sons of Korhal. Their liaison is holding online.
Good day, Magistrate. My name is Arcturus Mensk, and I represent the Sons of Korhal. You're familiar with the Confederate propaganda surrounding my group, but your reputation suggests you'll see past it. It's never been our practice to operate in any one place for long, but these Zerg don't look like they're going to wait. I'm going to make you an offer, Magistrate. I'd like to help you out by sending down a number of transports to your colony and evacuating any survivors. You know, of course, that my organization operates outside the bounds of Confederate law. That's why they spread their lies and misinformation. If you decide to accept our help, you'll be branded as an outlaw too. But it's a chance to save those people. Time to make a stand, Magistrate.
Ending transmission. Priority alert. Evacuation zone under attack by Zerg forces. Distress beacon activated at 12:20.
Hey, this thing's on fire! You ought to send an SCV out here to repair it. You can fix my bike up too while he's at it.
Give me something to shoot. SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir? Standing by. We can take cover in these bunkers if things get too dicey. Let's move. Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go, Commander. Standing by. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Let's move. SCV good to go, sir. Roger that. Give me something to shoot. SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Yeah? I dig.
Give me something to shoot.
Yeah, I'm going. No problem.
SCV good to go, sir.
Oh, is that it?
Report for duty.
What are you on?
Order, Scout. I can't build there.
Something on your mind?
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
I'll read you, sir. I dig. What are you on? Something on your mind? Oh, is that it?
SCV good to go,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm going.
Yes, sir. Orders received. Job's finished. Yes, sir. Report for duty. I read you. Orders received. Yes, sir. Report for duty. Orders, Captain.
I'll read you, sir. Yeah, I'm going.
SCV good to go, sir. Report for duty. Right away, sir. Standing by.
Yeah?
Orders, Captain. I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain.
Not enough minerals.
I'll read you, sir. Oh, is that it?
Report for duty.
What are you on?
Not enough minerals.
SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals. Not
I'll
enough
read you,
minerals.
sir.
Not enough minerals. Not minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCV good to go,
Not
sir.
enough minerals.
Yes, sir. Orders received. Orders, Captain. Orders, Captain. Orders received. Affirmative. Roger that. Orders received. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir.
Something on your mind? I read you, sir.
Orders, Captain. Reporting for duty. I read you. Roger that. Affirmative. Job finished. Yes, sir.
Piece of me, boy.
Orders, Captain.
Commander, let's move. Standing by. Rock and roll.
I read you.
Upgrade complete.
Reporting for duty. Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yes, sir. Orders, Captain. Affirmative. Roger that. I read you. Roger that. Right away, sir. Reporting for duty. Job finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
I read you. Job finished.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Affirmative.
Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot.
Job finished.
Rock and roll.
I read you.
Something on your mind?
Your forces are under attack.
You want a piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot.
Upgrade
You want a piece of me,
minerals.
boy?
Reporting for duty. Yes, job finished. Reporting for
You
duty.
want a piece of me, boy? You want a piece of me, boy? Outstanding. You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. You want a piece of me, boy?
Not enough minerals.
Give me
Not
something
enough
to shoot.
minerals.
Go, go, go. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Outstanding. Give me something to shoot.
Not enough minerals.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Orders,
You want a
Captain.
piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. Jacked up and good to go.
Something on your mind?
You want a piece of me, boy? Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Research
for duty.
complete.
Orders received.
Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot. Standing by. Let's move. Jacked up and good to go.
Something on
Jacked
your
up and
mind?
good to go. Let's move. Outstanding.
I read you, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir. Job
Piece of me,
finished.
boy.
Not enough
Affirmative.
minerals.
Roger that.
Not enough minerals.
Affirmative.
Give me something to shoot. Standing by. You want a piece of me, boy? Standing by. Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Commander. Standing by.
Your forces are under attack.
Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's move.
I read you, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Not enough
Commander,
minerals.
let's move. Outstanding. Give me something to shoot. Let's move.
Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going.
Standing by.
I dig.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Yeah, I'm going. No problem.
complete.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move.
Something on your mind? I dig. No problem.
Standing by.
What do you want?
Jacked up and good to go. You want a piece of me, boy? Outstanding. Rock and roll. Go, go, go.
Additional supply depots
Yes,
required.
sir. Roger that. I read you. Right away, sir.
Standing by. Rock and roll. Standing by. Give me something to shoot. Let's move. Commander, give me something to shoot. Outstanding. Let's move. Jacked up and good to go. Let's move.
Additional supply
Standing by.
depots required.
Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Go, go, go. Standing by. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Standing by. Let's move.
Your
Outstanding.
forces are under
Jacked up and
attack.
good to go. Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Outstanding. Standing by. Give me something to shoot, Commander. Let's move. You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Go, go, go. Standing by.
Your forces are under attack.
Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Let's move. Rock and roll. Standing by. Let's move. You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go.
Your forces are under
Give
attack.
me something to shoot. Go, go, go. Let's move.
I read you. Roger that.
Commander.
Your forces are under attack.
Outstanding. Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Go, go, go.
Your forces are under attack.
Let's move. Jacked up and good to go. Give me
Not enough
something to shoot.
minerals.
Rock and roll. Commander, give me something to shoot. Let's move. You want a piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. You want a piece of me, boy? Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Jacked up and good to go. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Commander, rock and roll.
Your forces are under attack.
Reporting for duty. Roger that. Right away,
Piece
sir.
of me, boy. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Commander, rock and roll. Jacked
Your
up and
forces
good
are
to
under
go.
attack.
Good to go, sir.
Commander. You want a piece of me, boy?
Orders, Captain? Right away, sir.
Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Go, go, go. Let's move. Commander, outstanding.
SCP good to go, sir.
Go, go, go.
Your forces are under attack.
Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's move. Go, go, go.
Yes, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
Commander, standing by. Give me something to shoot, Commander. Standing by. Rock and roll. Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. I read you.
Standing
Yes,
by.
sir. Roger that.
Standing by. Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Rock and roll. Standing by. Rock and roll. Standing by. Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Commander, give me something to shoot. Let's move. You want a piece of me, boy? Standing by. Outstanding. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's move. Standing by. go, go. Standing by. Let's move. Outstanding.
10 minutes until dropship arrival.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that. Yes, sir. I read you. Orders received.
Standing by. Rock and roll. You want a piece of me, boy? Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Outstanding. Jacked up and good to go. Commander, let's move. Standing by. Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Jacked up and good to go.
Reporting for duty. Orders received.
Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Let's move. Go, go, go.
I read you.
Jacked up and good to go.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Roger that.
Commander,
Job
standing
finished.
by. Go, go, go. Commander, outstanding. Standing by.
SCV
Give
good
me
to go,
something to
sir.
shoot.
SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain. I can't build there. I read you.
You want a piece of me, boy? You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go. Standing by. Commander, rock and roll.
Yes, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV good to go, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Reporting for duty.
Not
Orders
enough
received.
minerals.
Job finished. Yes, sir.
Standing by.
SCV
You
good to
want
go,
a piece
sir.
of me, boy?
Not enough
Give me
minerals.
something to shoot. Outstanding. Go, go, go.
SCV good to go, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?
I read you.
Give me something to shoot. Standing by.
One minute until dropship arrival.
Commander. You want a piece of me, boy?
Sons of Korhal dropships
Standing
approaching.
by. Rock and roll.
Strap yourselves in, boys.